About the preparation of truth table of different statement pattern. Okay, so friend, for that purpose you must know the truth table of basic connectives, that is conjunction, disjunction, negation, conditional and biconditional. Okay, so let it me repeat once again. So while writing the truth table of any connective, write down all the four possibilities of two statement, that is TT, FF, TF and FT. Okay. After that, in case of conjunction, you have to remember one thing, and that thing is when both the statement are true, then their conjunction statement are true. म्हणजे कंजंक्शन मध्ये टी टी असेल तरच टी लिहायचं, अदरवाइज तुम्ही फॉल्स म्हणजेच एफ लिहिणार. ओके. In case of disjunction, here also you have to remember one thing, and that is when both the statement are false, then their disjunction statement are false. म्हणजेच एफ एफ असेल तरच एफ लिहायचं, अदरवाइज टी लिहिणार. ओके. In case of negation, if the statement is true, then its negation is false, and if the statement is false, then their negation is true. म्हणजेच negation मध्ये टी असेल तर एफ करा आणि एफ असेल तर टी करायचं. Okay. Next, conditional. In case of conditional statement, you have to remember one thing, and that is when the condition is true. Condition means first statement. While its result is false, result means second statement, then the total conditional statement become false. म्हणजेच टी एफ असेल तरच एफ लिहायचा आहे, अदरवाइज टी लिहिणार तुम्ही. ओके. And last one, that is biconditional statement. So in this type of statement, you have to remember one thing, and that is when both the statement have same truth value, means either TT or FF, then their biconditional statement are true. म्हणजेच TT असेल तरी टी घ्यायचं आहे, FF असेल तरी टी घ्यायचं आहे, पण याच्या व्यतिरिक्त जे काही असतील त्याच्या ठिकाणी मात्र फॉल्स म्हणजेच एफ घ्यायचं आहे. ओके. सो लेट अस लर्न द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ट्रूथ टेबल ऑफ डिफरंट स्टेटमेंट पॅटर्न. ओके. फॉर दॅट पर्पज यू मस्ट नो some rules. So your first rule is read the statement pattern carefully and note down the number of statement. Okay. Your second rule is if in the statement pattern there are two statement, then write down all the four possibilities of two statement, that is TT, FF, TF and FT. But if in the statement pattern there are three statements, then you have to write down 8 possibilities. As suppose you have to given these three statement, that is PQR. So write down your first possibility, that is T T T, means in all places write down T. Your second possibility is T T F, means replace this one T by one F. Okay. Your third possibility is T F F, means replace this 2T by 2F. Your fourth possibility is F F F, means replace all these 3T by 3F. Okay. Your fifth possibility is F F T, means replace this one F by one T. Your sixth possibility is F T T, means replace this 2F by 2T. Okay. Now your seventh possibility and eighth possibility is you have to write down T in between 2F. Okay. Write down T in between 2F, and in last possibility write down F in between 2T. Okay. So in this way you have to write down all the 8 possibilities of 3 statement. Clear? Now your third rule is solve initially simple bracket and then square bracket. Clear? Means all these rules are summarized as read and note the number of statement, then write the truth value and then solve simple bracket and then square bracket. Okay, now let us take some example for more clarity. Okay, P and Q biconditional negation P. Okay, suppose this is the statement pattern and you have to say find out or prepare its truth table. Okay, so while preparing the truth table of any statement pattern, your first rule is read the statement pattern carefully and note down the statement. Okay, so P and Q biconditional negation P or P conjunction Q biconditional negation P. If in the statement pattern P is given, then you consider it as a one statement. If in the statement pattern P and Q is given, then consider it as two statement. If in the statement pattern P, Q, R is given, then consider it as a three statement. But if in the statement pattern you have to given P and negation P, then you have to consider single statement. If you have to given Q and negation Q in the statement pattern, then consider it as a single statement. Okay, so in this statement pattern, two statements are given. So write down, okay, and write down all the four possibilities of two statements, that is TT, FF, TF and FT. After that, again read the statement pattern. P conjunction Q biconditional negation P. So in our table, P and Q both are present, but negation P is absent. So initially find out negation P. So while performing the negation of this statement, okay, P its negation is F, F its negation is T, T its negation is F, F its negation is T. Okay, now again read the statement pattern. P conjunction Q biconditional negation P. So in our table, P and Q both are given. Negation P is also given. Okay, so now solve the simple bracket, means P conjunction Q. So find out the value of conjunction. In case of conjunction statement, you all know that when both the statement are true, then their conjunction statement are true. So check TT, write down T, TT, 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 no. So write down F. Clear? Again, P conjunction Q, this can be calculated here. Okay, now it's biconditional statement with negation P. Okay, so negation P is also given. Now find out the complete statement pattern, that is P conjunction Q biconditional negation P. Okay, so P conjunction Q means this column, negation P means this column. Okay, biconditional. So in case of biconditional statement, you know that when both the statement have the same truth value, then its biconditional statement are always true. Means if TT is given, then you have to write down T. If FF is given, then also you have to write down T. Otherwise you have to write down F. TT, FF, same truth value, no, same truth value, no, same truth value, okay, write down T. Same truth value? No. Now write down F. Okay friends. So in this way you can calculate or prepare the truth table of any statement pattern. I hope you understood and enjoyed today's portion. Although, if you have any queries regarding to this portion, then ask me on my personal mobile number. Thank you and have a nice day to all.